EverBank has savings account. Imagine banking that doesn't just keep up with your financial goals but actually propels them forward. With EverBank's innovative approach, you are not just saving, you are growing. Discover how EverBank is redefining what it means to truly invest in your future. Hi guys, and welcome in this video where we'll talk about EverBank high saving account. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into everbank.com. So this is the homepage we have here. Various information about EverBank, you can just read it to more understand. So what is EverBank? EverBank is a financial institution that combines the stability of traditional banking with innovative financial solutions designed to empower individuals and businesses alike, with a commitment to providing competitive rates, cutting-edge technology, and personalized customer service. EverBank aims to redefine the banking experience. Whether you are looking to manage your savings more effectively, invest for the future, or secure financing, EverBank offers a range of products tailored to meet your needs. Their mission is to help you not only achieve your financial goals but exceed them, all while maintaining a strong foundation of trust and reliability. So we have your various information here, like if we scroll down, we have personal banking first here, 5% API gives your savings and advantage, passing a competitive high yield and so monthly maintenance fee. Our EverBank performance savings account makes your hard-earned money work harder for you. Then if we scroll down, we have your Ever Protected with FDC insurance. You can be sure that your hard-earned money is secure and safe. At EverBank, your deposits are automatically insured by the FDC up to the legal limit. And then we have your Ever Performance. You deserve to get the most out of your money, so we deliver solutions that succeed, from competitive interest rates to our performance accounts built to fit your individual's needs. And then we have here, if you want to open an account, then if you want to log into your account, and here we have research, and then we have how much people are in EverBank. Then we have here 5% EverBank performance savings. Take your saving to the next level with our high yield account, boasting no monthly account fee, no minimum balance requirements, and easy mobile and online access. And we have here, it's time you bank it or more, get more out of your money, and how you bank with the account services and rates that separate us from banking as usual. Then we have here strong security, rest assured that your information, accounts, and money are safe with our range of trusted security measures. Then you have your free cash access with our checking and money market accounts. Freely access your cash at over than 80,000 no-fee items across the country. Then we have your mobile check deposits. Why go out of your way to deposit a check? Use our mobile app to send it to us securely and in a snap. Then if we scroll down, also we have other things like about us here. Learn about our rich history, dynamic growth, diverse services, and empowering commitments to financial success. So the last things we have here, information that you have to keep it in mind. The first one is to quote EverBank performance savings account annual percentage yield is as accurate as this. This is a variable rate account, and the API may change without notice. The required minimum opening deposit is free. Fees may reduce earnings. Then we have the second thing, it's EverBank NEA is an FDC insured national banking association. The standard FDC insurance limit of 25 we have 250 $1,000 applies per depositor per insured depository institution for each account ownership category. We have the third thing, it's we do not charge ATM fees and will automatically reimburse you up to $15 for the ATM. Then we have the last one, it must be an existing bank, so you have just to read it and more understand about this one. And if we scroll down here, we have other things like have your discover about us, awards and recognition, newsroom, security center, search careers, resources. We have ATM finder, branch locations, forms and application, accessibility, and we have my money program. And here we have support, so you can just click over the one you want and know more information about EverBank. And let's come back to the top here. to show you some other things. Like we have here personal, we have banking here, today's rates, support. Then we have here high yield accounts, performance savings, performance money market, and performance checking. And about the CD accounts, we have performance CD. Then we have diversified investing overview, precious metals, foreign currencies, markets safe CDS. Then we have online and mobile, online tools and services. Mobile bank can send money with Zelle awards and recognition. Also, you can just click over the one you want and you start know information about it. Then we have your business home, today's rates, support. You have your accounts, check and overview, money market, high yield cities, and business start, CDRs, cities currency, access account. Then we have services, treasury services, merchant services, free exchange. Then we have online and mobile, business online banking, mobile banking, and we have your business home, today's rates, support. Then about commercial, we have commercial home, client services, B2B solutions. We have fund financing, multifamily lending, specialty and lender financing, structured also. And if we scroll down, we have other things, it's smart or change, or I don't know what is it. Then we have client here, and you can just click over the one you want, and then you start know information about it. As you can see, you have your superior performance serious savings, you have your other fix. If you scroll down, you have other things you have to know it. And also you have your some questions with answers. You can just click over here, and that's it. So right now let's come back to the home page. You have also here about, as you can see, you have about home here, careers, search careers. You have your leadership also, security center, news and media. You have newsroom, awards and recognition. And about EverBank, we know the hard work you put in to get where you are, and we want you to know that finding you and earned advantage is what drives us. Then we have here, we are committed to delivering consistently high yields, dedicated service. So that's it for this EverBank. So it's very helpful and useful to use EverBank to and start with it. So if you want more information, you can just click over the one you want, like personal here, also business, commercial, about, also here about commercial. We have here overview. We are here to help build up your business so you can create more value, impact and potential. You can rely on our dedicated specialists, highly responsive service and fast expertise to propel your business forward. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.